Welcome friends. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's video is another open house video here in the Village of Summerhill in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home, and it is made of wood frame. Let's go in and take a look. Welcome friends. As I walk up the driveway, it is a concrete driveway. It is a wood framed home that does appear to be in very good condition. This home is located at 3349 Shelby Street here in the Villages, Florida. It does have a 2-car garage. As always, please contact the listing agents, either Rick or Tim, at Realty Executives if you want more information on this home. Let's take a walk inside and take a look at this home. It does have very nice landscaping. The roof does appear to be in good condition. As always, please refer to the specification sheet if you want more information on this home. It does have shades above the window for the sun. Let's go inside this home and take a look. Okay, here we are in the home.
Hey, Tim. Greetings.
Hi, how are you?
Fantastic. Thank you so much for coming to my open house. I'll be here till 2 o'clock this afternoon, and I will be back here again tomorrow. This is a 3-2 Amarillo model. We're located in the really nice, peaceful village of Summerhill. This home has no carpet, has no bond, has brand new HVAC system, hot water tank. Roof has been done in 2012, and we're ready to sell it to you. We've got a lanai out here that's under heat and air. Very, very nice and private. We got natural privacy out here. Plus we also have a hot tub out on the screened lanai, the bird cage.
Okay, great. I'll take a walk through, I'll video it, and I'll describe to my viewers what I see.
All right.
Very good.
I'm going to step out of your way, Tim, so you can do your thing.
Thank you. First thing I notice when I walk into the foyer area is this beautiful ceramic tile floor. And this floor does continue through the kitchen area as well. Off to the right is your living room area, and the kitchen area. That kitchen area does have a solar tube. Off to the back of the home, you do see the lanai, and it is temperature controlled. Here's the dining area as well. Beautiful ceramic tile floors continue. Updated stainless appliances. Beautiful white cabinetry with brushed stainless hardware on it. This kitchen does have a natural gas stove. It does have a stainless steel single bowl sink as well. Very nice and bright, very high ceilings. It does have cathedral ceilings with the acoustic texture. It does have Formica countertops as well. It does have a split bedroom design where the guest quarters is on one side of the home. I will video that in a little bit. Let's walk out into the lanai area. Beautiful lanai. It is temperature controlled. It does have floor to ceiling windows as well. And the ceramic tile floor continues in this lanai. Wow. It does have a mini split air conditioner in here. This is very hard to find in the villages, is when you have a temperature controlled lanai. These lanais do get very warm if they're not temperature controlled. Has a television in this lanai. And they do have a hot tub as well. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Oh, they do have a bird cage with a sun-shaded roof. That is very nice. Makes it very comfortable out here when you can block the sun. This lanai area is screened in. Has a beautiful private backyard. Hot tub. Very nice hot tub. Looks in very good condition. Very nice. This is the backyard. This backyard will be facing north. That's facing north. Let's continue through the rest of the home. Let's walk into the guest quarters. This is a split bedroom designed home where you have a private guest quarters with a sliding pocket door. Ceramic tile continues through the hall. Here would be guest bedroom. Looks like it has laminate wood floors in this guest bedroom. Just to give you an idea, that does look like a queen size bed. To give you perspective on the size of this room, there is adequate space on either side of that bed. Adequate space. This bedroom does have a closet, bifold doors. Very nice. Very comfortable home. Off into the hallway we will turn right, and this would be the guest bathroom. You will see the tile floors continue. It does have a single bowl sink. Very neutrally decorated. This bathroom does have a tub and shower. Looks like it is fiberglass or plastic surround on that shower. Very nice. This bedroom here is in the front of the home. It's another guest bedroom. Very bright. Very nice. The wood laminate floors continue in this room as well. This is another bedroom. It does have a closet with bifold doors. This home is list priced at $339,900. It is located in the Village of Summerhill. It is a wood-framed home. And as always, please contact the listing agent if you have any questions about this home. Looks like they have a built-in. They're using this as a den room right now. Very nice, light and bright. I will continue through the kitchen area. This is a panoramic view of the living area and the kitchen area. Very high ceilings. Off into the kitchen area. We'll take a right, and this is the laundry area. Ceramic tile floors continue. The mechanicals are in the laundry area as well. It does have white cabinets in this laundry area. Very nice, lots of storage. Let's see what we have in the two-car garage. This is a two-car garage with cement floors. It does have stairs that go up into the attic. Very adequate space in this garage. Hot water heater is in that corner. Very nice, very neutrally decorated home. Let's take a walk into the master bedroom area. This is the master bedroom. The wood laminate floors continue in here. Just to give you perspective, that is a king-size bed with adequate space on either side of that bed. Very nice, very light and bright room. The master bedroom does have a walk-in closet over there. I will take a closer look. It does have a master suite bathroom as well. The master closet is really large. Laminate floors are continuing in the master closet. Does have storage. This is the master bathroom. The ceramic tile is the same ceramic tile in this bathroom as it is in the kitchen and living area. Does have a single bowl sink. Does have a closet there. It does have a window above the commode. That is really nice. It does have a shower with sliding glass doors. Let's see what it looks like inside that shower. That shower appears to be a 36-inch shower, but again, double check your specification sheet if you want more information. That shower is either plastic or fiberglass. Very nice and neutral, very bright home. This is looking into the kitchen area from the master bedroom. Give you another panoramic view standing over here. This is the living room area. That is the kitchen area. Very nice, light, bright home, very high cathedral ceilings. Let's take a walk out into the street. I will pan the street and give you the directions. Off into the front sitting area. This is a very large sitting area, by the way. Very nice. That is the front of the home. That is facing south. I will walk out to the street. I'll give you a panoramic view. As always, if you are interested in this home, please contact the listing agent at Realty Executives, either Rick or Tim. They will help you out. I will walk to the street now. I'll give you a panoramic view of the street. This home is located in the Village of Summerhill, which is a little bit north of Highway 466. That is facing west. That is your home right there. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, wood-framed home. And this is facing east. Thank you everyone for joining. Take care. Is the specification sheet here at 3349 Shelby Street in the Villages, Florida. This home is list priced at $339,900. It was built in the year 2003. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. As always, friends, please pause the video if you want to stop and read the specification sheet. As always, I will include the room dimensions. The living room is 15 by 11. Thank you all for joining this open house tour. Located here in the Village of Summerhill in the Villages, Florida. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home is wood framed. I hope you enjoy the tour. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Take care, everyone.